Increase productivity with the smartest tool in your bag. The award-winning White-Rodgers Connect app brings installation to the next level. Configure, diagnose, troubleshoot. No Wi-Fi, cell service, or login needed. Configure from anywhere prior to install, no power required. Type in the replacement part number for hundreds of preloaded OEM control configurations. Take the guesswork out of setup and diagnostics. No more dip switches or flashing LEDs. White-Rodgers Connect is compatible with the most universal controls in the market, so you can replace more and carry less. The universal single-stage HSI integrated furnace control replaces over 550 part numbers for PSC and ECMX blower motors. The universal hot surface ignition module replaces over 325 part numbers for multiple applications that use 24, 120, or 240 volt igniters. The universal all-spark ignition module replaces over 1,000 part numbers for intermittent pilot and direct spark ignition systems. Work smart with White-Rodgers Connect.